In this segment, we are going to draw two windows and a range hood. So let's do the range hood first, get that out of the way. I measured mine, which is a gas range, and it's got about 2 feet 3 inches between the cook surface and the bottom of the range hood. So that's what that dot is. So we're going to draw that in. Now, this is basically a symbol. It's not really what it looks like, what the object looks like. So what we're going to do is use a 45 and draw, go over, yay much. And we probably should have about 6 inches worth of vent going up to the ceiling. So that means I'm going to have to erase a little bit where the front of the range hood is sticking out, because so we wouldn't see that. And this is a soffit up there. So this would actually be in front of that cabinet back there, because the range hood is here. We're looking from this direction, so we would see the range hood and it would obscure a little bit of the side of this wall cabinet, which, by the way, needs to have his little doorknob sticking out. Okay, so let me make that dark back again. I should have used an eraser shield. Okay. All right, next we're going to do two windows, and they are basically the same thing, just one of them is taller than the other. So to do a window, the first thing you want to do is give yourself some trim, and then you're going to draw the window inside the trim. So let's have trim that is about 2 inches thick. So basically I'm going to draw a box 2 inches inside the existing window outline. All right, so there's my sides. And 2. Okay. And I have recently sharpened this pencil, because when you're doing fine details like this, the last thing in the world you want to deal with is a dull pencil. That just makes everything so much harder. Okay. Now, if I were smart, I wouldn't have had to measure the second one, because I know they're at the same head height. So I would only actually have to measure one of them, because they line up. Okay, this one will come down and okay, there. So I now have window trim all the way around, and I'm not sure what that dot is. It's some dirt. Okay, then I want to put a line in the middle, and that's going to be where the sashes are overlapping, because you have a bottom sash and a top sash. I can tell that this is a double hung window because it has two lines right here. So let's measure. That looks like 3 feet something, 3 foot 6, 7, 8, 3 foot 8. All right, cool. So you want 1.5 feet plus 4 inches. So that's 1 foot 6, or I'm sorry, 1 foot 10. 1 foot 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then over here, this is 4 feet, looks like 4 feet 8-ish. Okay, so then we want 2 foot 4. So 2 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now There's my middle. And there's my middle. Now, the bottom sash will open, will slide up in front of the top sash. So what we have to do is show the edges of the window pane, and that's going to be an even smaller line. Let's see what we got here, about like there. And what you're going to have is all four sides of the lower sash will be showing, but on the top sash you won't be able to see where it overlaps in the middle. So I'll show you what that looks like. Just a second. Okay, so there's our bottom sash. All right, and we're going to tell that this is glass because we have 1, 2, 3. All right, now at the top, I've already got this measured, so I don't have to measure it again. Same thing over here. So the only thing I have to measure is about an inch, inch and a half, just a little tiny bit right there. Connect these two. Tell me that it's glass. Short, long, short, and hey presto, you have a lovely window. And that's it. Our next segment is going to be doing some ceiling stuff up here. Segment after that, we'll be doing the foundation, and then our drawing will be complete.